The Meghalaya Cricket Association convened its 21st Apex Council meeting yesterday at Trishi in West Jayantia Hills with President Namabrata Bhattacharjee presiding. Key announcements included the election of Sengnab Momin as Vice President, Reonald Kharkamni as Honorary Secretary and Gideon I. Kharkangor as a member. The meeting focused on preparations for the upcoming season, nurturing local talent and the development of a new cricket ground in Mukla.
Apex Council are all united, whether people are in the Apex Council or outside, are all committed, particularly all the district association, to take cricket forward in our state. Our main focus is to improve our own local players, which is very, very important, and it largely depends on the District Cricket Association. Meghalaya Cricket Association will not compromise on this aspect. We need to develop our own players. It may take time, but ultimately it is our own local players who will have to come and carry the mantle of our state. We have also, as you are aware, identified a plot of land in West Jayantia Hills at Mukla. All of you were present when we signed the lease deed, and we are committed to develop this ground.